This software changed the way we are working. We are not creating parts anymore. We are creating workflows, and the workflows are creating the parts.
ARRK Engineering is an engineering service provider. We are working mainly in the automotive industry. The German OEMs are our main customers, and we help them to develop their products.
We support in nearly every area of the car production, crash simulation, CAD, construction, CAE, computation.
In the development environment, there are really big changes at the moment with the change from combustion to the electric powertrain. A lot of new OEMs came to the market. Suddenly you have much broader competition.
So the manufacturers expect us to deliver faster.
As a service provider, we are constantly searching for new solutions for that.
We have a big network, and that's where we heard from Synera. It sounded like a very interesting tool, so we got some licenses, tested it, and immediately saw like 100 use cases.
The production cycle of a car is rather long. Multiple hundreds of people are involved.
To increase the speed, car manufacturers put a lot of focus on the automation and the digitalization of their development process.
The challenge is that product development is super separated in different stages or departments. And they have different programs, different data formats, different timelines with different cycles. A huge problem is that the programs are not capable of communicating with each other.
So we have to export the data, maybe transform it, then import it into another software. That takes a lot of time.
It's super frustrating for the engineers.
And that's why we want to automate it.
The first time I really used Synera, I didn't need much time to see the potential to solve the lack of connection between those tools, departments and engineers.
Synera is a platform to create a seamless connection to data, to databases, to other tools.
With Synera, you can automate the gap between departments. Now we can optimize the whole engineering process in one software.
The big improvement is that you make conventional coding into something visible. With that, you are enabling people that usually couldn't code or couldn't automate the processes in engineering to do that, since it's getting so much more comprehensible.
The possibility to create those automated processes is very exciting. It opens up the mind that engineers see what it means to think in how a process can be repeatable.
So that for the next time the engineer has just to change the parameters and click on run, and then you will get the optimized solution. That's great, because the whole process with all the different disciplines in all the different departments can be done in the workflow automatically with one click.
That means, in terms of working with our clients, we can offer much faster answers.
For example, in one use case, we were able to save 60% of manual effort and 20% of project timeline. That's a big deal, because this makes us more competitive in the market.
The software itself is so easy to understand, so comprehensible. I don't have to read some user manual to understand it. Within a week, I was actually already capable of creating my first workflows that were completely functional.
With Synera, we have something new to offer to the market, something that our customers were not aware of. We can already see that there is a big demand, so it will really develop to a significant pillar of our business. And this new situation really excites me a lot.
As a company, we have to use bleeding-edge technology. We would have to go back to working without Synera. That would be a huge bummer. We're not moving backwards.
Automating the whole engineering process in one software, that's the future, and that's what Synera really is capable of.